Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I am outside the Lohari gate. It is the occasion of 12th Rabiul Awwal and Defense Day. By chance, these both days are falling on 6 September 2025. So I am making this video for the diasporas of Pakistani who are living abroad. Either they are living in England, they are living in USA, they are living in Canada. Look at this, the festivity of 12th Rabiul Awwal. Tremendous excitement. People are coming and going outside Lohari Gate. This is the traditional, you can say, Androon Sheher, walled city. So you can see the people are very excited. The decoration work, tremendous decoration work over here. So look at this, you can see the model of Khana Kaaba. They have made it over here, and look at that. Now this is the entry of Lohari Gate, the walled city. So this is a very famous gate over here. The decoration is phenomenal, tremendous decoration. People across Pakistan come over here to celebrate this festivity. This is a very important place over here. The people are very excited, and there is a lot of decoration work. They have decorated. Look at that. This is amazing. People are looking so nice. So they are looking happy and excited. Look at this. I can show you the different visuals of a walled city. Walled city is famous for its festivity of Eid Miladun Nabi. Traditionally, it is celebrated. And over here, yes, okay. So this is the main boulevard of Anar Lohari Gate, and this is, people are very excited, but some people are sitting on the road and they are begging. So this is really very unfortunate. Yes, look at this, the beauty. They have decorated with the different styles, and we are at the main boulevard of Lohari, inside Lohari, and this go to Sad Mita, and then the next gateway is, you can say, Bhati Gate, Lohari Gate, Bhati Gate, Mori Gate, Shalmi Gate, and Sherawali Gate and Akbari Gate, where the decoration is phenomenal due to Wazir Khan Mosque. Here is the main boulevard of inside Lohari. So a lot of decoration is taking place. People are watching. Yes, people have decorated their shops, and I show you the further more things. These are really ultra decoration is there. Children, boys, girls, men, women, and they are really very excited. They have come to see the festivity and the excitement of this day. And most of the people, after offering Isha prayers, they came outside in the bazaars to see the festivity of this day. The Lahore is the people of live-hearted. Lahore is a city of traditional buildings, colleges, gardens, and look at this decoration here is tremendous. So this kind of decoration is almost inside Lohari Gate, inside Bhati Gate. So thank you very much. This was Absar Ahmad on YouTube channel. Please take care of yourself and the people you're around. Allah Hafiz.